Hello everyone, my name is Honda, the Director of Assessment at UMA. This is an instruction video because I'm aware that my email is lengthy and can be overwhelming. So let's go one by one. So Robert Bernheim sent an email on November 2nd about the practice rating. So let's take a look if you haven't finished that exercise. The purpose of the exercise is to calibrate a common expectation or standard before you start your own rubric grading. So there are 3 steps. The first step is I suggest printing a rubric for this exercise. Print. And there are 2 student papers. You can click HTY103 and you can read on your screen or again print there. After finish your rubric gradings for both HTY103 and 104, please compare your results with the ratings done by UMA faculty members. Those are shown in Table 1 and Table 2. As you notice, sometimes those 2 raters matched their ratings, sometimes they did not. That's not a problem. Actually, it is common to have one difference, either does not meet and approaches or meets and approaches and so forth. So it's a reference point. Once you finish your practice rating, let's get down to the actual rating. Student work samples are attached to this email down here. Again, you can either download and read on your screen or print if that's easier for you. Once you finish your reading, you go back to the email and please take a notice that your radar number is number 3. With this example. This is to ensure confidentiality and anonymity of your rating. So when you go to the rating form, you can enter your radar number, in this case number 3, and the sample number, which was HTY103 sample 3. Going back here, sample number 3. And you can please proceed with each rubric component rating. And as you notice, you can say something great or anything and submit. You just finished your first rating. You can close both sample and the rating form and then go back to the original email and then continue to the second rating. It's HTY103 sample 4. After reading it, going back to the same link, again the radar number is consistent, so in my case number 3, but the sample number is now, it's not HTY103 sample 3, this is the next one, sample 4. And then you continue the same rating exercise. As an alternative, if you would like to reduce the amount of time gazing your monitor, you can print the rubric attached to this email. I would say multiple copies. And then once you finish your rating, you can go back to the rating form and then do the data entry on your own. If you encounter any technical problems, please do not hesitate to contact me by email or phone. And the due date is Wednesday, November 23rd. Let's finish before the Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for your time and cooperation. And this is the end of the instruction video.